Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, it's Dub here, and today we're going to be doing an unbagging. And as you can see, I've been to my favorite store. It seems like this is my favorite store now. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So how are you ladies and gentlemen doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope everything is good on your end. And yeah, let's get into it. So today we are going to be unbagging another addition to my fossil collection, which is another Sydney satchel. And this one is the Sydney satchel black multicolor. And so yeah, let's get into the bag. I've already taken it out of the bag, out of the fossil bag, as you can see. So let's go ahead and get it out of the plastic. And it is the coated canvas. It's not leather, it's the coated canvas. And yeah, and as you can see, she comes with the detachable strap. She has the brown handles, and it feels like leather, but it's not leather. It's actually coated canvas. And I've already unstuffed her because she was stuffed, because it's like my fourth time trying to do this video, and I'm gonna make it quick because I have Miss Blue in the kitchen. She's eating her lunch, so while she's occupied, I can go ahead on and get this quick video in. But yeah, let's do a 360 of the video. And let me move the let me get this out of the way. Let's do a 360. So that is the bag, and it has the back slip pocket. And I've already have this zip down, so it has the zippers, and I love the gold tone. And we have this side here, and this is the, I guess it would be the front of the bag there. And let's zip this part up here. And I thought that the fossil embossed down at the bottom was really cute. And she also has her feet on the bottom. And don't mind the little stain because it was sitting on the table. So that's that'll come off. But yeah. And I like this one because of I wanted a brown bag, but like I said, I'm a black handbag girl. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh wow, cool. And you guys will never guess how much I paid for this, man. Okay, as the tags say, the bag is $138. I did not pay $138 for it. Let me go in here and get the receipt. And I did purchase it from my local fossil. And yeah, so this bag was online for $41.40. I went down to the Tanger and I used my 25% off discount, and the bag rang up to be $33.22. $33.22. How could I not get that? How could I not get that? Oh my God, it was a steal. And I felt like, my God, this bag is just for me. I believe I became addicted to the fossil Sydney satchels. And I don't think I'll get another color, but I think 2 would be enough, because I don't want to have I don't want to overdo myself. But yeah, I'm having so much luck on finding these bags at a good price. I just wish I had luck on finding a place to move to at a good price, because the way prices are, that's a whole nother story. But anywho, let's get into the bag. So yeah, the inside setup is different than my original one, because this one has the 2 pockets, and my original one has just the 1 big slip pocket. And on the other side, it has the zip pocket, but it doesn't have the slots for the cards, which is okay because I don't use that anyway. And on the inside, they didn't give me my my little fossil care card, did they? Oh wow, they didn't give me my fossil care card, but that's okay because the bag is new. And yeah, I got two. I got two from the two previous bags, so I really don't need that. But yeah, let's get into it. I mean, she is so pretty. And I'm not gonna take the paper and stuff off because I'm just gonna stuff her back and put her back in the closet. I might switch into her. I'm not sure, but yeah, I just wanted you guys to see that. And then I really want you guys to see the price that I paid for, because it really was a good deal. And like I said, my SA down at the fossil store, I mean, he is just the doll. He is just the sweetest. He really is. I told him now we are we new cousins, because it seems like I'm down there a lot. But anyway, just getting into that bag. She is really pretty. Do another 360 on her. She has the gold D-rings on the side, and I just like the brown accent. Like the brown just really gives the bag just that pop. And yeah. And again, this is the Fossil Sydney satchel in the black multi color. And yeah, there's nothing there, just the paper. Like I said, this baby was really stuffed. And yeah, so again, I thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know let me know if you are looking for the Fossil Sydney satchel. Let me know if you're having luck with finding them, because it seems like they're just falling into my lap. So I guess it may be it just may be a sign for me. But anywho, again, I thank you ladies for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Put on your notification bell just so you can know whenever I do another video. And I'll be sure to get more content out for you ladies. Until then, you guys be safe, stay well, and bye-bye.